Three-dimensional geometry. നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ NCERT exercise 11.1 fully solve ചെയ്യാണ്. See the first problem. If a line makes angles 90 degree, 135 degree, 45 degree with the x, y and z axis respectively. നമ്മൾ ആംഗിളിനെ ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആൽഫ ബീറ്റ ഗാമ എന്നാണ്. സോ ആൽഫ 90 ഡിഗ്രി, beta is equal to 135 degree, gamma equal to 45 degree. Then find its direction cosines. Then direction cosines are cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. That is cos 90, cos 135, cos 45. Okay. Cos 90 is 0. Now cos 135, cos of 135 is equal to cos of 90 plus 45, that is in second quadrant, minus sin 45 minus 1 by root 2. So that is minus 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So these are the direction cosines. Now the second one, find the direction cosines of a line which make equal angles with the coordinate axis. Equal angle means alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Okay. Now we have the result cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So that is cos square alpha plus this beta is same as alpha. അപ്പോൾ beta മാറ്റിയിട്ട് അവിടെ alpha കൊടുക്കാം. Gamma is same as alpha. So 3 cos square alpha യുടെ value 1 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. Cos square alpha 1/3 ആണ്. Cos alpha plus or minus 1 by root 3 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. Okay. Therefore cos beta is also plus or minus 1 by root 3 and cos gamma is also which is equal to cos beta which is also is equal to cos gamma. Therefore the direction cosines are plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3 and plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Now see the third one. If a line has direction ratios minus 18, 12, minus 4, that is A is equal to minus 18, B is equal to 12 and C is equal to minus 4. Direction ratios are denoted by ABC. Then what are its direction cosines? Okay. So direction cosines, we have to find root of A square plus B square plus C square. What is root of A square plus B square plus C square is equal to root of minus 18 square plus 12 square plus minus 4 square out. That is root of 324 plus 144 plus 16. Okay. That is equal to root of 484 which is 22. Now direction cosines are L is equal to A by root of A square plus B square plus C square. A by root of A square plus B square plus C square, that is minus 18 divided by 22. M equal to B by root of A square plus B square plus C square, that is 12 by 22. And C is equal to C divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square, that's equal to minus 4 by 22. So these are the LMN, not C, LMN. So these are the direction cosines. Okay. Now the fourth one. Show that the points are collinear. See points let A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and B is minus 1, minus 2, 1 and C is 5, 8, 7. Okay. Now direction ratios of AB. What is the direction ratios of AB? AB means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 1 minus 4. That is minus 3, minus 5, minus 3. Okay. Now direction ratios of BC, which is also 5 minus minus 1, 8 minus minus 2, 7 minus 1. That is 6, 10 and 6. Okay. Now the direction ratios are proportional. The direction ratios of AB are minus 3. Now we find the ratio of these two numbers. That is, say let it be A1, B1, C1. Next is A2, B2, C2. A1 by A2 equal to minus 3 by 6 minus half. B1 by B2 equal to minus 5 by 10, that is minus half, and C1 by C2 is equal to minus 3 by 6, which is also minus half. Since these direction ratios are proportional, therefore AB parallel BC, AB parallel BC, and B is this common point, therefore ABC are collinear. Therefore A, B, C are collinear. Okay. Now see the fifth one. Find the direction cosines of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are A. A is 3, 5, minus 4. B is minus 1, 1, 2. And C is minus 5, minus 5, minus 2. Direction ratios of AB. To find the direction cosines, we have to find the distance. AB is equal to root of 3 minus minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 the whole square distance. That is root of 16 plus 16 plus 36, that's equal to root of 68, which is 2 root 17. Okay. Now distance BC is equal to root of distance between B and C minus 5 minus minus 1 the whole square plus minus 5 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square. Okay. Which is equal to root of 16 plus 36 plus 16, that is root of 68, which is also 2 root 17 BC. Now AC is equal to root of minus 5 minus 3 the whole square plus minus 5 minus 5 the whole square plus minus 2 minus minus 4 the whole square. Okay. That is root of 8 square 64, 10 square 100, then 2 square 4. That's equal to root of 168, which is 2 root of 42. Okay. Now direction cosines of AB. Direction cosines of AB are x2 minus x1 by distance, y2 minus y1 by AB, z2 minus z1 by AB. Okay. So that is minus 1 minus 3 by 2 root 17, 1 minus 5 by 2 root 17, 2 plus 4 by 2 root 17. Okay. So that is minus 4 by 2 root 17. അപ്പോൾ minus 4 ഒരു 2 കട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ minus 2 by root of 17. അടുത്തത് minus 2 by root of 17. അടുത്തത് 6 2 ആയിട്ട് ക്യാൻസൽ ആകുമ്പോൾ 3 by root of 17. That is the direction cosines of AB. Now direction cosines of BC. Direction cosines of BC are minus 5 plus 1 by 2 root 17, minus 5 minus 1 by 2 root 17, minus 2 by 2 root 17. That is minus 2 by root of 17, minus 3 by root of 17, minus 2 by root of 17. Now direction cosines of AC are, which is minus 5 minus 3 by 2 root 42, minus 5 by 2 root 42, minus 2 plus 4 by 2 root 42. That is minus 4 by root of 42, minus 5 by root of 42, and 1 by root of 42. Okay.